Hey, welcome back to Uncle Al's Barbecue. Sitting here on the smoker today. Man, I was making some ribs earlier. I trimmed them up and showed you how the season I did and the seasons I learned from somebody that actually has a barbecue restaurant with like a $20,000-$30,000 rotisserie smoker. I'm gonna go visit him and I'll film it. So what I wanted to do here real quick is I just wanted to show you some Uncle Al's chicken quarters. I mean, just sitting here on the grill looking fantastic. I'll give you a short recipe for it. Is basically these were brined in salt water for about 3 hours. And then I rubbed them with Worcestershire sauce. I sure did. And then I laid down some of that Memphis rub that I put on my ribs that I showed earlier. And unfortunately, I didn't get to do that video. Apologize for that, but something happened with the phone. Could have get it completed. And we're smoking these chicken right here on nothing but oak, and charcoal's the base. I mean, you got to have the heat, but I just want to show you. Look at that, Uncle Al's chicken. And I did spray them. I sprayed them with some water, apple juice, vinegar, and Worcestershire. And we've been smoking on here for about 3 hours. Once again, I'd like to thank you for barbecuing with me today.